people think India is dirty, India is poor people, India is the same in Brazil. Brazil, all the carnival, but no, India, the people is rich, the people is good, the people is amazing. It's total different. Understand? Yeah, India is como que é em seria? Clean. It's clean. Né? India is clean, is organized because the traffic, but it is organized. Understand?
The traffic is a little bit chaotic at the first time. But
for us, I walk in the street is normal. Understand?
There is a total.
It's different.
Organized.
Yes. You understand?